Good morning. Today, putting the lats on here, putting the sleeper in where Oliver is across there, and then prepping for porcelain on the patio. I think it just needs a whisker more hardcore to be taken off. I think we've put it into white, and then we have got to do this. So we're doing as much as we can today, and tomorrow they're going to be doing the patio over there. I'm at a very, very, very important funeral tomorrow, so there'll be no filming tomorrow unless Tom does a little bit, but I doubt it. I've told him it's job and knock, so they'll be cracking on. So yeah, I'm going to have tomorrow off, possibly the day after, see how it goes. Who knows? But today, this most important thing is getting that done. Just working out, altering that step just needs a little tweak, and then just down here, and then they're ready to do whatever they need to do. Have you noticed I'm not talking about Leeds losing to Burnley? Our lass's family, Burnley. Yeah, I'm gonna go see them at weekend as well, so I'm not looking forward to that either. It's positive today, actually. But yeah, on Friday the grab went. The muck went with the grab wagon, so we've pushed on like hell on here. We really have pushed on, really, really well. But yeah, I'm going to go put that sleeper in over there with Olivier. That line at bottom. There. Definitely. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah.
Just need a good level.
Right. But yeah, they were on Paslows then. So it were just fucking fast, mate. I just don't get it. And like you say, you got screws. So you're fiddling about finding your screw. You're holding it up, aren't you? And then you put your drill on it. Already I've done 6 nails.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Fucking hell, missed it there. I'm just going to put this in and then we'll level off with this one. Yeah. I just need to get in, so you push that over to you. You do want big shoulders. Pull. I know that. Up, down, left, right. Up. Yeah. And then here. All right. Got you, fracky. Yeah. Up, down, left, right.
Yeah. gone. Oh, God.
So we've just got Tom caressing this body bag thing over here, talking about spiders. So we've done today. We've done good progress as well. And now he's hitting it. We've got lat fence complete. We had young blood on it as well on nail gun, training me up on that. Sleepers in. We just need this angle. We run out of sleepers, but that angle from there to, can't do my hand, to there. And then this soft cut here, I'll do this bit here. And then, don't really film this side, but we've got young blood on this. Young blood, Oliver. We've got young blood on this, and they both put the posts in, but he more or less did it. And then I measured it with him, just left him with measurement. Got to do that. He went and cut it, brought it back, he did drilling. So I'm just getting him on as much things as I can, because he's a good kid, but you get some, and they're chavvy, they ain't got a clue. They claim that they've done it before, they get here, just, they can't even tie their own shoelaces, just can't even make their own ham sandwiches, whatever they're making, do you know what I mean? So I'm going to appreciate him, I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to get him on it and show him, like, the way to go. Just bear with me. Bit of rain on camera. But yeah, that's it. I've got a couple of days off, so these guys are going to be doing this. And yeah, porcelain's here. Let's have a look at porcelain. So we've gone with ground cream from Portugal, I believe. I believe it's Portuguese. I was saying today, I'd love to do a video and go porcelains from Italy or Portugal. I think the Portuguese one's more expensive, if I'm honest. I'd love to do one of them to see how they're made, because I know they get put into an oven at 1200 degrees, made out of clay. That's all I know. But I'd also love to go to India and go to one of the quarries and follow the journey of it, you know what I mean? But we'll think of that one up. See if our last fancies a trip out to India on holiday without kids. But yes, it's all a pipe dream. Or is it? I'll see you in a couple of days. A few things on these next days. Got a important funeral, very, very important funeral. So I'm a bit busy the next couple of days. But yeah, I'll see you on Wednesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, possibly. But I'll tell you what, see you next time, 8 o'clock sharp.